Hi friends, welcome back to the channel. Today we're talking about something that controls almost every part of our lives. Money. Here's the thing. We all want more of it. We all need it. But most people don't understand how money really works. That's why some people earn a lot but still stay broke, and others earn little but still build wealth over time. In this video, I'll break it down in a simple way. We'll talk about the right mindset towards money. What keeps people broke? 10 psychology lessons about money. How money actually works. 5 rules you must follow. And common mistakes to avoid. Stick with me to the end. Because if you're just starting your journey with money, this could change your life. The first thing you need is the right mindset. Because the way you think about money shapes everything else. A lot of people grow up hearing things like, money is the root of all evil. Rich people are greedy, or I'll never be rich. If you believe these things, you'll always push money away. You'll never learn how to grow it. Here's the truth. Money is not evil. Money is a tool to buy freedom, a tool to give you choices, a tool to create security for your family. Think about it like a hammer. A hammer can build a house, or it can break a window. The hammer itself isn't good or bad. It depends on how you use it. The same is true for money. So if you want wealth, stop fearing it. Start respecting it. Start learning how to use it. So why do people stay broke? Let's be honest. It's usually not because they don't make enough. It's because of habits and mindset. Number 1, instant gratification. People want everything now. They spend today and hope tomorrow will fix itself. But tomorrow never does. Number 2, trying to look rich instead of becoming rich. Many people buy expensive clothes, cars, or phones just to impress others. But the truth is, the people you're trying to impress don't even care. Meanwhile, your bank account stays empty. Number 3, depending on one income, one paycheck, one job. The moment something happens to that job, you're stuck. Number 4, avoiding financial education. Most people don't read about money. They don't learn how it works. So they keep repeating the same mistakes. Here's the lesson. It's not about how much you make. It's about how much you keep and grow. There's 10 psychology of money lessons. Now let's dive into the psychology of money. This is how people really think, feel, and behave with money. Lesson 1. Money is emotional, not logical. People don't spend because of math. They spend because of feelings, sales, discounts, or peer pressure. These push emotions, not logic. Lesson 2. More money won't fix bad habits. If you're careless with $100, you'll be careless with $10,000. The habits matter more than the income. Lesson 3. Wealth is what you don't see. The expensive car or big house doesn't prove someone is rich. True wealth is savings, investments, and freedom. Lesson 4. Compounding is powerful. A small investment that grows every day becomes massive over time. That's why starting early matters more than starting big. Lesson 5. Everyone has a different risk level. Some people can handle investing in stocks. Others panic if the price goes down one day. Know your tolerance and don't copy others blindly. Lesson 6. Freedom is better than luxury. Most people don't want fancy cars. They want time with family. They want the choice to work less. Money gives freedom, not just things. Lesson 7. Envy kills progress. If you keep comparing yourself to others, you'll overspend just to keep up. That keeps you broke. Lesson 8. Saving is discipline. It's not about how much you earn. It's about the discipline to keep some aside. Lesson 9. Luck and timing matter. Yes, luck plays a role. But if you're not prepared, you won't see the opportunity when it comes. Lesson 10. Enough is a choice. If you don't decide how much is enough, you'll always feel poor. Contentment matters as much as growth. These 10 lessons show us one thing. Money is more about behavior than math. How money works. So how does money actually work? Money is just a tool of exchange. You give value. You get money in return. You spend it to buy what you need. But here's the trick. If you only spend, money disappears. If you save, it stays. If you invest, it grows. Money loses value over time because of inflation. That's why you must make it grow. The cycle of money is simple. Earn it, save it, invest it, multiply it. Wealth is not just about income. It's about assets minus liabilities. What you own minus what you owe. That's how money works. Rules of money. Now, let's look at 5 rules of money you must follow. Rule 1. Pay yourself first. Always save a portion before you spend, even if it's small. Rule 2. Spend less than you earn. It sounds simple, but it's the foundation. Without this, nothing else works. Rule 3. Invest early. The earlier you start, the more time compounding has to work. Time is your best friend. Rule 4. Avoid bad debt. Don't borrow money to buy things that lose value, like clothes, gadgets, or parties. Rule 5. Make money work for you. Build assets that earn while you sleep. Stocks, real estate, digital products, things that bring income without constant effort. Follow these rules and you'll never be stuck financially. Common mistakes beginners make. Now let's cover mistakes beginners should avoid. First, chasing get-rich-quick schemes. They look shiny, but they almost always fail. Second, ignoring financial education. If you don't learn about money, you'll repeat the same mistakes. Third, overspending to impress others. The sad truth is, most people don't care about your new phone or shoes. Fourth, not tracking money. If you don't know where it goes, you can't control it. Fifth, thinking more income automatically means more wealth. It doesn't. Without good habits, even high income disappears fast. So here are the key takeaways. Mindset matters more than income. Money is a tool, not the enemy. Wealth is built on discipline and daily habits. Anyone can build wealth, even without a business. So that's it. Money is not about luck. It's about mindset. It's about discipline. It's about following the rules. If you avoid the traps and follow the basics, money will work for you. Which lesson stood out to you the most? Tell me in the comments. And don't forget to like and subscribe for more. Thanks for watching.